In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to go to the left over here, hover over marketing, and then go to email. Now inside the email tab, you can of course create a new email by clicking this button here in the top right. And then from here, you want to select regular because of course we are going to create a regular email and then send it to a list of contacts. Now from here, you have a bunch of different templates you can choose from. Of course, you could go from scratch and build it yourself, which I teach in a different video, which you can go watch, or you can just click on newsletter over here on the left, and it's going to give you some newsletter previews or templates you can then use. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually just going to go and use this newsletter template over here, the wireframe, and I'm going to click on use template. Once you do this, you can of course go and drag on the content. So you can go and click on each and every block, and you can go and of course add your own content in here. You can click here, you can type in your own text, you can do whatever you want to here. I am sure you actually do know how to build emails. If you don't, again, go watch my other video where I teach you how to build or create an email inside HubSpot. And then once you've built out your newsletter, which these templates are actually quite convenient, as you can see, they have like a bunch of different things in here already, which is quite cool. And then when you're done, you also want to go to the top, click on send to, and you want to pick who you want to send this to. So I'm going to select marketing info, and I'm going to send to this segment over here, segment of people. You could do multiple people one by one individually over here as well. And then when you're ready, you can just go and add a subject line and the preview text as well. And what's going to happen here is it's going to allow you to basically send your newsletter to whoever you want. Just hit the review and send top right, fill out all of these warnings in case anything is missing, and you'll be able to create and send your newsletter in HubSpot just like this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.